Yes, Boy was a dear friend from many years back. It was teenage life that drew us together. Boy came from Ateneo de Davao High School, joined Ateneo de Manila College, and was the classmate of my future husband, Mike. Boy was a boarder at Bellarmine in Ateneo, not very far from Mike's house in La Vista, where we live up to today. And it was easy for them to become friends. Boy and Mike went on to law school. Another classmate who went on to law school was Henry Villarica, whose spouse is here, Deputy Speaker Lina Bel Villarica. Boy, Mike, and Henry went on to law school. And it was in law school where later stories tell us Boy met, pursued, and won over the heart of the beautiful Dawawenya who was also studying in Manila, and that is Bebet Mendigo.